of Adventure, but they are testing the Hulk ride. I haven't seen it being tested. What you just saw was a video of Volcano Bay. That structure, that tin structure was the volcano, and the slides were those tubes are the slides. I'm sorry, I'm really excited because I think I just saw people on the Hulk, and supposedly they were letting people they were opening up Kong for soft opening, so I really want to go. I'll show you some factory later, but I feel like they're testing out Hulk right now and they're letting people on, so I'm gonna run in. Right, here it is. Oh, that's a new thing they met. But look, oh my god. I've been running to try to see if I can get my way in, but I think they just stopped now. It sucks, but I'm pretty sure I saw people. Oh, there it is. Look at the new queue line area. Oh, look, and there it is. Oh, look, and there's people working. Where are you? Oh, so it stops there. And it goes, oh my god, look how cool the ride vehicle is. But let's see if I can try to see the open, going through here, because to see through Storm Force, to see if I can see anything. Nothing new, I just think that that's going to be the opening of the ride, but nothing else. Here by Ripsaw Falls, there was nobody on that ride. Now I'm going to go see the Kong construction to see if they're going to be doing soft openings today. Because that's what I heard. Look how cool it looks. I'm going to try to go up there to see what I can get. They closed the spot I was going to go to, so I'm going to try to ask somebody if they're doing soft openings today, but if not, I'm just going to have fun at the park. Get my velociraptor, like always, and do whatever it is that I wanted to do in the park. So yeah, hopefully they have soft openings. My favorite part. Ready? Look. So there is no soft openings today. I'm going to go to Camp Jurassic to see if I can do, if they have a tour of the control room in Jurassic Park, but then I'm going to get my velociraptor. Then I'm going to go to Harry Potter and cross over to Universal. That sucks. I wanted to go on Kong today. Here's a Raptor counter. Let's see if I can see it. Can I see? Oh no, what the heck? They put leaves everywhere. Oh no, you can't see it. No. See, look, there it is, kinda. So, Jurassic Park, the River Adventure ride, doesn't have a behind the scenes tour, but I am waiting for the Velociraptor baby. And supposedly here, right in front of the Jurassic Park, I don't know exactly what time, but if you're a pass holder, you could get the hardcovers are coming back. The hard passes, look, there's Hulk. But the hard passes are coming back. So yeah, I don't know what time. I think it's on their Facebook page. But the hardcovers are coming back, which is good because those paper ones are horrible. The paper tickets, not hardcovers. The hard tickets. Because those paper tickets are
Demanding gas-permeable eggs are extremely delicate living dinosaur embryos.
Look, they have the DNA guys from Jurassic Park.
Thank you for your cooperation and have a
Dino DNA like in the movie.
About these amazing and gentle creatures. In fact, they are perfect. They are extremely nice and they love human interaction. Now we are fortunate enough to have 119 Triceratops here at Jurassic Park, including 2 infants, Sierra and Sahara. And they're extremely cute. I have to do Sam on them. Dr. McCoy should be up here getting on them now. There it is. Very good.
Look at that Triceratops.
Hi, Dr. McCoy. Come on over. How you doing?
Look how cute.
Cool. Thanks for bringing that. How's you doing today? Good. Yeah. All right. So just pretty routine examination, but I figured you'd fun to have everybody watch. So you ready to get started? All right. I'm just going to start off by checking our heart rate here. So would anybody like to help me out? Yeah, come on up. What's your name, Steve? Nolan. I work with a guy named Nolan. Are you really cool? He was not, so let's high five. Very cool. What's your favorite dinosaur? The Dilophosaurus. That's the type of choice, favorite. Okay. Alright, so I just need you to put Sahara right here on the shoulder. I'm just going to check her heart rate here. Just going to keep her attention on you. Very good. are in fact biogenetically created to be lysine deficient. That means that they rely on us veterinary staff to give little lysine supplements just like this one. Now let's say that she were to get out of the park, she probably wouldn't survive very long without that lysine. But safety has on play already, and it will not be getting out anytime soon, so don't worry about that. I think big break volunteer. Yes! Come on over! Yeah, you're the first one that I saw. You were very enthusiastic about it. What's your name, sweetie? Oh, very nice. I love that name. Okay, cool. Be careful over there. Alright, so you're just gonna put her right over on the shoulder here. Now she does not like getting shots, so just be forewarned that she might take her something. Dr. Claire, you ready? Alright, we're gonna do this with the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go. And we're all set. Very good. She did that very well. Wow. Let's give her a big round of applause for this service. Thank you so much for your help.
So I did it. I named my baby velociraptor, which is a girl, and her name is Lily. I'm now gonna go to Harry Potter. I'm gonna ride the train over and yeah, see. And just but first I'm gonna stop at house to get some more. Just got out of dueling dragons. Gonna see if, because last time I had absolutely no hope, but let's see if it'll work for me this time.
Hi, buddy. Unfortunately, these 2 spells here are jinxed.
No! Okay, thank you. So they're jinxed. I guess I'll have to do one here. Oh yeah, there's one here, I think. Right here, let's see. Where are you, camera? Oh no. Where are you? That did not work. I'm gonna try to go to Dogwood here and do the spells here. But let's see if this works because I have absolutely no magic power anymore. What's wrong with me?
Let's get the words.
No, hold on. I want to try to do it without saying it. You don't have to say it though. There you go. See, now and then. No, because then you bring it up. But I just fell. No way, it's fine. At least I did it. So this is a pumpkin fizz. It's practically like a pumpkin spice latte, but like in soda form. But it's really good. The Lorax over here. No, there too. I think 1 and 2. Dr. Seuss, the Grinch, and Sam the nice look. Goodbye Island. So here's a construction update on the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. So far, they've taken off a lot of the bricks. But yeah, oh, they also changed their name from Chocolate Factory to Chocolate Emporium. And now I saw on their Instagram they're gonna be serving lunch too, I believe. But yeah, this is pretty much all there is. Coming into the side entrance. Oh look, it's open. They finally opened this up. Maybe they have new stuff on the facade here of the store. So I'm in the Hello Kitty store. Ooh. Shaggy and Scooby are out doing their round. Maybe Beetlejuice is out here to say hi. I'm gonna see if I can find the sports almanac again like last. Here it is.
You guys order?
Right. Here. See look, Sports Williams in Hollywood. No, the magic show isn't here anymore, but this is the prop shop. But look at the cow. There's a cow. Is my cow here? Is it still? Yes! The cow is still. So my mission this time is to ride every ride. So now, or see every show. So now I'm in the kids zone. I'm gonna watch Barney. And then I'm gonna go to Woody Woodpecker, do Curious George, do E.T. And then I'm gonna go to the horror makeup show, Terminator. And then we'll see what I do after that. But I'm gonna try to do every ride. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of Barney, even though it's kind of kiddie, but That way I have a little more video, but yeah, here we go.
Imagine one more time, something very special will happen here today. Imagine with me, clap your hands, say farm. It's working. Here we go.
So here is not point of view, but from outside. Not to get wet, but I'm gonna go to this hotel. If you guys remember from last video in Universal, this hotel is pure evil because right here it's called evil. But I'm gonna take a time lapse of the ball pin to show you guys a little bit about that without going in because I've already been there a lot. So, and then after that, I'm gonna probably go to ET, and then after that, I'll be going to The Simpsons and that twirl and hurl and all that. But I'm gonna try to do every single ride here in Universal. Now I'm gonna do a time lapse of the water park section of Curious George Goes to Town, and then I'm gonna be going to ET. After that, I will be going to The Simpsons, and I'll show you guys that too. Yeah. So here we go. I'm going to try the impossible and go through without getting wet. Here it goes. I'm getting wet, I'm getting wet, I'm getting wet, I'm getting wet, please don't get me wet, please don't get me. Oh, I didn't get wet. But here, now I head to ET, and then the
ET, go to Tikri. Hurry.
E.T. go home. Tipsy. Ouch. Welcome home. You deserve it. Welcome home. You go Mad Dog.
You have saved our planet! Come celebrate with us!
Isaac, Kinder, Ashley, Trent, Fran, Tanya, Cynthia, Drew, Diego.
Attention, please remain.
So I just got out of ET. I will not be continuing this right now. I am going to see the X-Men Apocalypse movie in the AMC at City Walk. But I will continue this later. But now I'm going to watch the movie. The movie was amazing. I don't want to say anything because I don't want to spoil anything because I know people are crazy about spoiler alerts. But I'm going to go on this big with me because I just got back into the park. It's only 60 minutes, but I have Fast Pass, so it'll be okay. Oh my god, they're dancing! Oh my god, I just got out of Minions. I'm about to go to the Mummy, and then after that, so this time I'm gonna try to see the King Kong, but I have no clue if I can get you that. But I'm gonna try very hard to get it. The little King Kong statue. Please, I'm trying. It started to rain outside, and I'm trying to ride every ride. That's my goal today. So wish me. So I cannot get the monkey. I am going now to Transformers, but it's raining a little bit harder now. Oh, but look, Men in Black has this space thing. I'll show it to you when we get closer, but here we are, Transformers.
Help me find a way out of here. Wrong way, we're trapped.
Your planet belongs to me.
Take cover! Wait.
No, look what
Escape route.
I figured it out.
Wrong. Where's Vortex? We need cover. Hold on.
There's absolutely nothing here. Beetlejuice was taken out. Disaster is gone, and there's absolutely nothing here. There's nothing here. I wanted to take out the tank. I think they might have taken out the tank already for the queue line of disaster. Oh, yep, they did. And they pushed out the walls a little bit, and they added this new little entrance area. And now we're going into London, and I'm gonna be a wizard. Ooh, the magic is in the air. Well, I wonder if it's gonna go off. No, I'm not gonna go off now. But I do need to get a new wand because it's kind of broken at the time. But oh look, it might go off. Look at the goblin. Talk. Hello, I'd like to make a withdrawal. No?
Sean, you plans for I'll just get you the keys.
Well, I moved them. All you have to do is ask. Accio keys.
We need this. No, no.
How did you get it here? We haven't seen
Well,
you.
don't let me keep you from your tour. I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on my way.
It's hot in here.
You're in the elevator. It must happen. It's gonna happen. Look, the statue's back up. Usually they take it down for Mardi Gras, but it is back up. But I could not complete my mission. They closed everything down because of the rain. Rep Rocket would not be ridden because of that. But maybe next time. But I will see you guys all later.